Roman aqueduct systems were built from 312 BC to 226 AD. This marvel of engineering used gravity, no pumps, relying on a slight downward incline with water seeking its lowest level over miles and miles of mountains and countryside to bring water into city and towns to supply public baths, latrine, fountains, businesses, and even some private homes. And to manage all of this, you need a water commissioner. One of Rome's notable commissioners was a civil engineer by the name of Frontinus. His job was to make sure the water always continued to flow.
It's good. Mamma mia! It's a leak in my pepperoni. He's all soggy now. And how am I going to find a plumber this time of night? Oh my!
Poor Frontinus. He has no idea on how much water he's losing. If only he had a flow meter from InstrumentsDirect. Well, I hope Frontinus fixes his leak, or his job as a water commissioner might be down the drain.